my little scientist friends. Welcome to my laboratory. Today we are taking a look at the field of astronomy, specifically the moon. This giant orb floating around our planet has been the focus of myths and legends for centuries. Today, with the help of some of my colleagues, I hope to inform you about the moon, while dispelling some of the myths. Let me introduce to you my first colleague, Miss Pip.
Nice to see all you young scientists again.
Next, my dear friend, Dr. Aussie.
G'day, mate.
And lastly, my assistant, Igor.
Me and Frankenstein's monster were just playing a game of hide and seek before you summoned me.
Okay, moving on then.
Stay on target.
Yes, master. It will never happen again.
Back to the subject at hand, Dr. Aussie. What can you tell us about how the moon was formed?
There are many theories of the moon being formed. One theory is the collision ring theory. The theory is that the meteor crashed into Earth and broke into dust. Eventually, the dust formed together and made the moon, due to gravity and inertia. Another theory is that the moon was a meteor flying through space. It got stuck in Earth's orbit as it flew by. I think that the moon was formed by the collision ring theory. Mad scientist thinks the moon and the Earth were one planet, and over time it split and became a planet orbited by the moon. Mad scientist and I were best friends. Now we are arch scientists.
Ew, I thought it was made out of cheese.
I am MODOK.
Who are you?
MODOK. Mean, ominous dude of killing. And I'm here to steal the moon.
Sorry, mate. I ain't never heard of you.
Been there, done that.
Silence, woman. I'm going to steal it, so I can harness the power of the eclipses and the tides.
You stark raving lunatic. Are you mad? Did you know that people used to think people went crazy if they slept under a full moon? Lunatic comes from the word luna, which means moon.
Tides are a powerful force and important for ocean and beach habitats. The tides are classified as the rise and fall of ocean water. It goes in cycles every 12.5 hours or so. The water rises for about 6 hours and then falls for about 6 hours. This is why if you build a sandcastle on the beach in the morning, by the afternoon, the waves will reach it and wash it away.
Plus, without the moonlight at night, I can't see to find my way home. It'll be dark.
Yes. Igor, what I think you're trying to say here is we need the moon to reflect sunlight back at the Earth at night.
It could also mess up the orbit around the sun.
I agree. If you steal the moon, you would be causing a worldwide panic. Some religious calendars are based on a lunar model. How would these people know when to celebrate without the moon? The moon goes through cycles known as phases of the moon. These phases are created by the position of the Earth, moon, and sun. At certain times during the cycle, the sun lights the moon completely, while at other times it barely lights the moon at all. The phases are new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter, and waning crescent. Then the cycle repeats itself.
These are compelling reasons to leave the moon where it is. But I don't care. I'm taking it anyway, and you can't stop me. I'm shrinking, oh what a world, what a world, I'm shrinking, shrinking. I'm out of here, you lunatics.
Hey, I resemble that remark.
I'm not a lunatic. I'm just mad.
Who isn't?